You're not a failure because you don't have a big house or big car. No, those things does not define who you are. But if you continue to put in the work, you can achieve the big house and the big car. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video, I'm just going to basically answering you guys questions from me asking you guys to send your questions on Instagram. The first question I'm going to go straight into. And before I get into even talking about the questions, make sure you like, share the video, subscribe, and comment down below if you like these type of videos. The first question is the top 3 cars I want in my garage. Hold on. The alien. Anyways, the first car that I'd add to my garage and I want in my garage would be a 911 Turbo S. The 911 Turbo S, fully blacked out, full carbon package, carbon bucket seats, carbon ceramics. Yo, that is just amazing. Like, me just thinking about it just make me just want to go grab one right now. But yeah, 911 Turbo S. I'd say for SUV, because you have to have a SUV in Jamaica, I'd say a Ford Ranger Raptor. I know most people call them the Uptown Pro Box, but me personally, I would choose the Ford Ranger Raptor. They're good. They're actually strong, and them sound good. Like that V6, the petrol one. Yeah. So the third car now would be my show type junk car. I'd definitely go with an M5 Series. Carbon buckets in all 4 seats, fully modded out. I wouldn't do any I wouldn't build the engine, but just a little stage 2 tune. Bring it up. Yo, these bikes are crazy. Bring go baller, make him mod it out for me. Big up to baller. Yeah. Yo, these bikes are on a road today. This is the day after Christmas, by the way. So yeah, bring it go baller, make him do the little sauce to it. Me the other dine on exhaust. Or Valvetronic, who knows. But yeah, those are the top 3 cars I will add in my garage. The second question is name 2 professional car enthusiasts that I look up to. So the first one I'd name is Nick Lowe. Big up to Nick Lowe himself. He's probably watching the video. When I was younger, I used to look out for every single video on a weekend or within the week from coming from school. Just watching the excitement and the whole vibe that Nick Lowe videos give. Like, it just made me want to own a special type of car. And I still do want to achieve that goal. I know most people know me from the X6, but the X6 is not an outrageous type of car. But one day something will happen. But yeah, Nick Lowe is one. Second person I look up to is Q Banks. Like back in 2016, no, back in 2020, I was watching Q Banks content every single day with his when he had his SV, he had his 9, I think he had a GT3 RS at one point, and I think he had a F80. But yeah, I used to watch Q Banks. I still do, but not as much because, you know, I've been working. Life get busier, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, those are the 2 people I look up to, Nick Lowe, and I look up to Q Banks. Yeah, them man, they really make me see things on social media to like really go for it. You get what I'm saying? To make a goal and achieve it. What do you do for a living? And how do I get started with it? So basically, I run a business in the construction field. And it's not just run by me alone, but I run it as well. How I got started was just based on a plan. yeah, me and my parents got a plan, started it, and it has been a good but learning lesson. It is not easy. Sometimes I feel like to just drop everything and just stop. But me knowing the goals that I want to achieve, I just have to continue. And you can't beat hard work. Like if you want to achieve the goals you want to achieve, you cannot beat the hard work. You have to just go do what you have to do. Put your mind to yo, this is what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to give up until I achieve what I want to achieve. So I do that. I'm also a student. Yeah, I go to college. And yes, I know I'm working and going to college at the same time. Plus, I have this content creation thing to do. So you know that go. Um, but yeah, like I've always been doing this from since high school. Like at the beginning of high school, I used to leave school to go to work. And then after leaving school to go to work, I have to think about ideas and YouTube, different content creation ideas, so that I can post, so that I can. I don't know. This is what I'm saying. Like me wanting to do this content thing, it's not just for me alone. I realize that my goal for doing this content creation is to allow people to see the things that they may think that it's not possible. A lot of people might not know that there's a McLaren here. A lot of people may not know that there's different supercars here. So I just want to show that this is possible in Jamaica. So yeah, that's what I do for a living really. I don't party, I don't drink, I don't none of that. So I just work, come home, and yeah, and think about different things I want to achieve. The next question is, what do you think about hypercars coming down to Jamaica? Well, I don't have a problem with hypercars coming down into Jamaica. Um, I know it's going to be, it's going to happen. There's no stopping it. But one thing I can say for sure, the roads in Jamaica are crazy, bro. Like, it's like the minute you can be driving the highest car in Jamaica and still end up dropping out at all, it can cost you a whole tire. Like, I see a video with Bima Kid, shout out to Bima Kid. My boss do a little small squeeze, and boom, the man dropping on patrol just like that. And it's a 540 he's driving, so you know, it's not no regular beast that. So, the man have to buy a tire that day, and you can imagine the frustration. Can you imagine you having a hypercar in Jamaica, and next thing you know, just cruising, get dropping up at all, bro? That is not it. And this is why most of the cars that are, most of the supercars are here, most of the owners don't want to bring them out. But shout out to man like Nick Manley, shout out to man like Kenado, shout out to all of the man with them hypercars. But not hypercars, but shout out to all of the man with them supercars to bring it out and enjoying them. Especially them people them with the 911 GT3 RS. Big up to them too. They didn't have to bring it out, but they did. So yeah, like they will be in Jamaica. Hypercars will be in Jamaica. Just time. But please, the road them need for fix for real. Government, please. We need more road VBs then, believe. Next question is, any future modifications for Zeus? So if those who don't know, Zeus is a 2023 BMW X6 X-Drive 40i. It is not just mine, it's also my parents' own as well. But modifications, who knows? I don't know. But if anything happen, you guys will know as well. But probably a little wrap, probably a new set of rims. Who knows, as I said. But look out for sure. Look out for sure, definitely. The next question is, what does a typical day in your life look like? A typical day in my life look like, wake up in the morning, give thanks to God. Never forget God on your journey. Always give thanks to Him. So yeah, Wake up in the morning, give thanks, get ready for work, go to work, get my work done, do my schoolwork, and just think about different creative ideas to build my platform, which is YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So you can follow me on Instagram at Mekhai, and follow my TikTok at Mekhai as well. So yeah, that's what a typical day in my life look like. I don't like to party too much. I don't like to do too much. But yeah, that's a typical day in my life look like. I don't really. Even though if you look at my social media, it might look like excitement. I don't like the bag of excitement. So yeah, that's me. Next question is dream car. A dream car that I could get soon. Well, I don't know what dream car I could get soon, but my dream car is definitely a Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. Bro, with the wing and it's silver, bro, that is the most amazing car that I've ever seen. I know everybody else might have their own dream car, but comment down below what's your dream car. But I'm telling you, the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, that is just an amazing piece of machine with the W16 engine. My God. If you ever listen to all the car build up boosts with them turbos there, bro, it's a different type of animal. But yeah, that's one of my dream cars. And the last question is, yeah, it's the same question. Somebody asked what is my dream car and spec. But yeah, it's a Bugatti Chiron. I'd like that Bugatti Chiron exposed carbon. Yeah, that would be it. But yeah, just want to leave a message out there for everyone. Let me know what you guys think about these type of videos. I won't be able to post car videos all the time. I'd love to, but in Jamaica, there's not much car events right now. It's almost coming to the end of 2024. So I'm just trying to post some videos to make you guys enjoy. So, and I want to leave a message that anything that you guys want to achieve, you can achieve it. All you have to do, set a plan, set your mind to it, and believe in yourself. Like, have a vision board. Put whatever you want to achieve on your phone, whatever you want to achieve on your wall, anything. Just believe in yourself and put in the work. Yes, hard work is the key. And most times, when we're in hard situations, we may not want to continue, but pressure being diamonds. And without pressure and without hard work, you're not going to appreciate the goal when you're supposed to achieve it. So, just enjoy life. That's what I've learned. Never judge anyone for anything that they own. You never know what people go through to achieve what they achieve. So big up to anybody who achieve what they set their mind to achieve. Big up to you. It could all be you have a little apartment. It could have be you buying a phone. It can just be you giving your mother a present. Anything you set your mind to and achieve. Big up to you. You're not a failure because you don't have a big house or big car. No. Those things does not define who you are. But if you continue to put in the work, you can achieve the big house and the big car. I'm not where I want to be there in life yet. But I know with time and with work and patience, things will work out. So just that's a message that I have for you guys. And if you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments. And let me know what type of other videos that you'd like to see other than the car videos. And yeah, I want you guys to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. So that's the end of the video. My name is Mekhai. Peace.